Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Standard Account. This tutorial will walk you through the key features and benefits of using a Revolut Standard account. First, let's start with what Revolut is. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your money, make transactions, and exchange currencies at competitive rates. The Revolut Standard account is the most basic account type offered by Revolut, and it is free to sign up. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires you to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID and a proof of address. Once you have signed up, you can start using your Revolut Standard account to make transactions. You can top up your account using a debit or credit card, or by transferring money from your bank account. You can then use your Revolut card to make purchases online or in store, or to withdraw cash from an ATM. One of the key benefits of using a Revolut Standard account is the ability to exchange currencies at competitive rates. Revolut uses the interbank exchange rate, which is the rate at which banks exchange currencies with each other. This means that you can exchange currencies without being charged high fees. Another benefit of using a Revolut Standard account is the ability to track your spending. The Revolut app allows you to categorize your transactions and set budgets, making it easy to keep track of your money. You can also receive real-time notifications when you make a transaction, which helps you to stay on top of your spending. In addition to these features, the Revolut Standard account also offers a range of security features to protect your money. Your account is protected by a PIN and a password, and you can also freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. In conclusion, the Revolut Standard account is a great option for anyone who wants to manage their money on the go. With its competitive exchange rates, real-time spending tracking, and robust security features, it is an ideal choice for travelers, freelancers, and anyone who wants to take control of their finances.